Hey, guys, Little Caesars has hot and ready pizza for $5.
Yeah! I like that! Yeah!
皆さん、Little Caesars には hot and ready pizza が5ドルでありますよ。
Greetings. Little Caesars has hot and ready pizza for $5.
Get a hot and ready pepperoni pizza for $5 or a 3-meat treat for $8 at Little Caesars.
Pizza.
Stop! Please, stop hammer time.
MC Hammer?
But this hammer hates nails. Look what they did.
Oh.
Here, use command picture hanging strips instead. Hold strong, damage-free. Just click, stick, press, and ta-da! Then when it's time, just stretch the command strip off, nice and clean.
Wow, no damage.
Hammer don't hurt them.
So what happens now?
Ta-da!
Command, do no harm.
Milo's Rewards credit card saves us 5% on the things we need. 5% off, 5% off, 5% off.
And as loyalty members, we get points toward Milo's money for the things we want.
Oh, we want this.
The all-new Milo's Rewards loyalty program is here. Download the app to join, earn, and save today.
It's only lunchtime and my cold medicine's wearing off. I'm dragging.
Yeah, that's definitely lasts a few hours.
Or take Mucinex. One pill fights congestion for 12 hours.
No, thank you very much. She's gonna stick with the short-term stuff.
12 hours? Guess I won't be seeing you for a while.
Is that a bisque?
I just lost my appetite.
Why take medicines that only last 4 hours when just one Mucinex lasts 12 hours? Start the relief. Ditch the misery. Let's end this.
Hi, may I help you?
Yes, I hear Progressive has lots of discounts on car insurance. Can I get in on that?
Are you a safe driver?
Yes.
Discount. Do you own a home?
Yes.
Discount. Are you gonna buy online?
Yes.
Discount! Isn't getting discounts great?
Yes!
There's no discount for agreeing with me.
Yeah, I got carried away.
It happens to me all the time.
Helping you save money. Now that's Progressive. Call or click today.
We decided it's time to put a different kind of power tool in your hands. Store Mode in the Home Depot app gives you in-store tools made to help you get more done. To guide you every step of the way and explore products quickly with the scan. That way you get the top brands at the best prices without missing a beat. It's made for doing. Download the Home Depot app and see how doers get more done.